与电话接线员沟通的有用短语。
There's a problem with my mobile internet connection. My phone isn't charging. I'm not receiving any calls, texts. I'm having trouble with my SIM card. Can you help me with my phone warranty? Can you help me with my bill? I need to change my plan. How can I top up my phone? What are your customer service hours? Can you tell me how to set up voicemail? I'd like to know about your international roaming plans. I've been having this problem for days. I'm very disappointed with your service. I would like to formally lodge a complaint. I am writing to inquire about. Can I speak to a supervisor? I would like to be transferred to another department. I need a reference number for this call.